Hi, this is Laura at SkipperBud's in Marblehead, Ohio, and we are looking at a 220 center console Sailfish. This is a 2023, powered with a Mercury 200. Nice Carolina flare. This one has the Whisper Gray hull, and it's got the two-tone hardtop, so the underside will be the same color as the hull. This is stock number SF20163. Nice seat backrest that will rotate. We do have a spot there for a table, which stows in the head compartment, and you'll see that a little later. Nice placement of cup holders and a rail that goes all the way down, so it's nice. We've got the quick release fender clips on the side, pop-up stainless steel cleats. We have the two jump seats at the back, which is nice. These can be removed if you want more room when you're walking, standing, walking, all that stuff. Live well on the starboard side. You can see we have space underneath our helm seat. This is set up with Garmin GPS 1243 and a Garmin B60 through hull transducer. Nice bolster seats, very wide, roomy. This boat is rated for 8 people. And we have a nice large head, pump out head down below, you can see. And there's our table. Very large head for a 22-foot boat. If you want more information on this boat or anything else in our inventory, please contact us at SkipperBud's. Hopefully we can get you on the water.